In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an application in Zoho Creator, an intuitive platform that allows you to build custom applications with ease. Whether you're looking to fully customize a solution from the ground up or implement a pre-existing framework for quick setup, Zoho Creator offers a flexible approach to cater to your needs. When you're on the Zoho Creator homepage, the journey to developing your application begins by clicking on the Create Solution button. Once you do, you'll find yourself welcomed with three distinct pathways to start crafting your application: creating from scratch, using a template from the gallery, or importing a file. Each option suits different purposes, so let's delve into what each entails to help you decide which is best for you. For those of you who have a very specific business process in mind, consider starting from scratch. This option provides a blank canvas where you can design every element of your application, including forms, reports, and pages. It's ideal for anyone who demands complete control to ensure every detail aligns perfectly with unique business needs. Building from scratch may take some time and meticulous planning, but this method allows for absolute customization, ensuring your application performs exactly as intended. If you're pressed for time or prefer not to start from zero, the Create from Gallery option might be your best bet. Zoho Creator offers a diverse library of pre-built, ready-to-use applications designed to meet standard business needs. Whether you need an inventory management system, a bug tracker, or a CRM, there's likely a template available. The beauty of starting with a gallery template is that you instantly get a foundational structure, and you can then customize these templates further to suit your business particulars. This approach saves you from building every component and empowers you to deploy a working app more efficiently. For those who already have data stored elsewhere and are looking to transition that information into a smoother application process, Import File offers a straightforward solution. By uploading your existing data file, whether it's a spreadsheet, Excel document, or CSV, you can automatically generate the initial forms and reports. This method is particularly advantageous if you are migrating data or need to initiate the application with a pre-existing dataset. Importing allows you to preserve important data while capitalizing on Zoho Creator's analytics and organizational tools. Each route offers its own unique strengths, and the choice ultimately depends on your specific requirements, resources, and objectives. So as you get started on your Zoho Creator journey, consider what factors are most important for your application's development. With these insights, you're well on your way to building a dynamic application that can optimize and streamline your business processes. Happy creating!